In this video, we are discussing about control and coordination. So mainly the living things which are maintain their body conditions or react the body conditions according to the environment. So here there are two important systems will be play important role. So mainly the neural system. So that is the neural system, the neurons which are respond, and also there are some chemical system which are hormones will be react according to the conditions, that is maintain the body temperatures are called control and coordination. So we start with first what are the main systems are involved in the human conditions, and also after that we will see that animals, and lastly the plant. In humans, the body is controlled and coordinated and integrated by neural system and chemical system. The neural system main involved by nerve, the chemical system involved by hormones. The neural system which transfer that information through that electrical impulse, and that hormones which are chemical composition which will be react and control the conditions. Okay, so coming to the animals. In animals also mainly involve same thing, the neurons only. That means nerve is composed with two cells, neuron and neuroglia cells. In animals, neurons and sense organs are respond. The sense organs are there are many sense organs, sense receptors. Here the most important is, not only most important, there are some many sense receptors here. In that, some are gustatory receptors and olfactory receptors. The gustatory receptors will be taste, olfactory receptor is smell. The sense organs, gustatory receptor is taste and olfactory receptor is smell. If you see that neuron structure, so this is the neuron structure. It is composed with dendrites and axons are present in the neuron. Mainly it is having that body, that is called cell body. So this is that entire part is considered as cell body, also called cyton, soma or cell body. This entire part is considered as axon. In that last terminal, these areas are called axon bulb, which is present in the terminal. These parts are called dendrites. This is nucleus. These are Nissil granules, also called fragments of RER. Basically, neurons are two types: myelinated neurons, non-myelinated neurons. Whatever you see here, the green one, that is myelinated. This myelinated sheath is composed with cells. So those cells are considered in the neuroglia. Those are called Schwann cells. And there is a space here, the gap. The gap is called nodes of Ranvier. So this is the clear picture about neuron. Neurons are the most important which transfer that impulse which transfer that electric impulse from one to other and react and coordinated entire body functions. How it will be transfer that impulse? This is transferred by impulse through synaptic. The neurons which are transfer that electrical impulse to control and coordinated the body functions through the synapse. Synapse means transfer impulse from one dendrite of neuron to another axon part of neuron. So we'll see that structures about synapse. This is axon bulb. This is dendrite part, and this layer is called presynaptic membrane. This layer is called postsynaptic membrane. Okay, this entire structure is called synaptic cleft. Synaptic cleft. Synaptic cleft means the distance between these two. This is axon bulb, this is dendrite. Dendrite of another neuron, axon of terminal bulb of another neuron. Together will be formed structure based on the distance, based on that electrical impulse transfer by using the components. These are two types of synapse, that is chemical synapse and electrical synapse. The chemical synapse, which were responsible by the chemical, that is acetyl choline, and which will be initiate neurotransmitters at vesicles. The neurotransmitters will be located like this in the chemical. For example, if it is synapse structure, the neurotransmitters, the gap between the synaptic cleft, the space between presynaptic membrane, postsynaptic membrane, entire that synaptic cleft, then the gap is 10 to 20 nm. The electrical synapse, the gap is very less. There is no vesicles like this. These are neurotransmitters. There is no vesicles in the electrical synapse. Only here responsible by ions. And second thing is the distance is, I said, it is very less. How much? It will be 2 nm. So neurons which will be react the body situations by using the synaptic and synaptic cleft. So we'll see that mechanism by the reflex action. Reflex action means according to the conditions the body will be react by using these neurons and supported with that chemical combinations, that chemical system. Okay, how it will be respond the body, that process will be called reflex action. If our body is hurting or if anything happened, the body will be send the information to central nerve system by using the nerves. Those nerves are called sensory neurons, which carry information body parts to CNS. Immediately CNS will be react and control the body conditions by using another nerves, that is motor neurons. CNS to affected body parts. So there are other mixed neurons also present. This one present both neurons like sensory and motor neurons are present. So this is the introduction part about control and coordination, mainly involve the neural system which carry that electrical impulse, and hormones also will be react, it will be control the entire body condition. In this video we will discuss the structures about that axon neuron structures and also synapse, and also we will see the reflex action. So I hope you understand this video. Thank you.